So light in this place. Hi everybody, I'm here with my friend Mario. Mario's gonna do the end of his workout for you. He's already run 1 mile, done 3 sets of chest press, triangle rows, overhead press at 100 pounds, 155 pounds, and 70 pounds. We did 7 minutes of abs, and he's already done 2 sets of this arm workout. Okay, so we'll show you the last set. All right, so what were we singing?
Parties in my hood
Yeah,
tonight.
yeah.
All
All right, so flies when you're ready. And then what did I teach you?
Gotta get your groove on.
Yeah, but it's gonna be, gotta get your groove on.
Groove on from Martin.
From Martin. Be nice if you could see. I put it on Yankee.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So Mario's doing lateral flies. And neither of us are counting, so this is a good video so far.
9.
Very professional. Good. Like I said, 9. You said it with soul, 9.
Oh yeah.
It's Friday night, and I feel alright. Okay, yes, so we're gonna press this up for his, so let's get focused. So he just did the lateral shoulder fly for the lateral head of the deltoid. Now we're doing anterior, we get a little more chest and some triceps. Go ahead, buddy, let's get 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so now we're gonna grab a 20-pound weight, and for the rear or posterior delt and a little bit on the traps, we're gonna do an elbow out row because we already sat down and we worked the lats with a row. Okay, kiddo, when you feel ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, gang, this is the 3rd set after already doing what a lot of people consider 2 other workouts. All right, feet will switch up 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here and here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there's shoulders with a little bit of other stuff. Now we're gonna come over to the skier and we're gonna try to just ground ourselves with our legs and our core and do as much arms with the hands going behind the hips. When you're ready, kiddo. A little longer. Five. Okay. Now we do triceps extension on the skier. Just remember to keep your foot in a lunge that's back there on the platform. Now you can have, Mario's regulating his own rest. He doesn't really take much rest, which is impressive. Again, considering all that he's done. But I told him he could have up to 90 seconds, which is a minute and a half, which would still keep it in the framework of a HIIT workout. Anything from about 10 to 90. Obviously, the less rest time, the more intense. Okay, elbows are close. I can't really tell, but let's just make sure they are. You powerhouse, keep that foot on that platform. You judo flip this whole thing over your head. Just make sure I got the camera rolling if you're going to do that. Five. One more, kid. Time, all right. And then to finish off the triceps, we have a dumbbell, I believe it's 40 pounds. And the kid's going to just rip out 10. Again, being our third set, that gives him 30. And triceps are secondary on chest press, and he did a 100-pound chest press for 3 sets of 10. And then triceps are also secondary on the overhead press, and he did 3 sets of 10 on that. So that's already 60 reps involving the triceps, plus the 3 previous sets of doing all of this that you've seen here. The idea is to overload, because I want him to always lift a controlled weight. And even though this is really heavy at 40 pounds, it's appropriate for Mario. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a rainy November. You hear all these frogs and crickets out there? All right. Last thing is biceps 21. And who's your favorite Simpsons character? Homer and Mo. Mine would be, I like Homer, and I like Lisa, and I like Ramsey Goodall. But one of the reasons I like Lisa is she is Becca. Lisa is my wife. Totally. Every decision, everything. Unfortunately, Sheldon from Big Bang Theory is also my wife, and that makes things tough. Quit taking everything so literal, Becca.
Who's the bully? Lisa one?
Nelson.
No, you're Nelson.
Oh, Mario! How dare you! Oh, I can't believe you. All right. So that biceps 104. 4, going halfway up. 5, 6. Okay, second half, and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now stretch it, and here we go. 7, 6, big stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2. You're done. Gotta get your groove on.